How to set up subscriptions in Squarespace. To do that, what we can do is we can head over right here to your products and services, head over right here to your products, and then click onto this add product option right here. For this one, we need to choose the service since it will collect payment for fixed price, one-time, or recurring services. So for this one, it will create this product. Now for this, just name the product that you have. For example, let's put in here Pro subscription. And then you can input right here a description. You can utilize Squarespace AI for this one. And then just enter the actual text. And while it's waiting, you can add in here an image that you can use. I'll just select from library. And then this will be just a placeholder image. So for this one, you can add in here the price. So for example, it's actually priced at around 50,000. Now for the stock, it will be unlimited and we have in here the SKU. So for this one, you can click on the subscription option and it can be a one-time purchase or it can be a subscription only that repeats every week or every month. And the billing cycle can never expire. You can click on this add option right here in order to add this frequency. And then for this one, click on apply. Now, as you can see, everything has been settled already. So you can click on the save right here and publish it. So that's how you set up subscriptions in Squarespace. Hope you help.